everyone, this is Noah from TJM Farming, and you join us in summertime. It's officially December 1st at the time of recording this, and well, December means one thing, well, two things. Christmas, as we all know, is now going to be on the way in a couple of weeks' time, and in the instance of our boys, which Dad is over there trying to round up, it's time. I take them over into the sheep yards over there, sort them out, which rams are going where, load them up onto the trailer, and then we'll deliver them out the paddock so they can go meet the girls and provide us with next year's babies. So over there you can see most of our boys. There's 12 of them in total, and well, the rams that we bought at this year's Talara Ram sale, number 16 and number 26, we've officially given them names. We've called them Rob and Barney, and they've looked to settle in quite well. The reason behind their names is, well, Rob, number 16, was named after Rob, our wool classer, who has appeared in a couple of our videos. He also appeared in the ram sale video at the same time, helping us to look at the rams. What's the verdict, Rob?
I didn't like it.
And Barney, number 26, well, I came up with the name. Reason why I called him Barney was because, well, spontaneously came in my head. It's not the first time we've named them sheep-esque names. We've also had a tendency to name sheep after, well, prime ministers of other countries like Boris and Donald and Scott. Those types of things. Big, muscular, manly sort of names. So Rob and Barney, they're going to be part of a trend of me naming rams as the years go on, which is something that we never really intended to do. The ram that I know we named for certain last year was number 7, who, if you look closely enough, when we get them into the sheep yards later on in the video, you'll be able to spot him, because he pokes out like a sore thumb. Number 7, which we named Murray, as I mentioned in the ram sale video, was, well, a ram that Dad's been keeping an eye on for a long time, because, well, he's quite the unit, let's just say that. He's got a frame, but he's also got the wool quality as well, which really makes him a jack of all trades. Of course, last year we've used him as frame ram, I do believe, but well, we made the mistake of putting him in a mob of inexperienced girls, and he was an experienced ram. So this time round, we're hoping that putting him in with some more experienced girls, like the younger ones go with the older girls, meaning that we'll have a better chance at actually getting some lambs from them, because well, the lambing rate this year for 2024 was not the best, but then you also got to throw in the conditions that they were dropping in. May was still fairly dry, as you would know from the live export video that I spoke about way back a couple of months ago. But we'll jump on the Kubota and get to working. Right, so the rams are in the yards now, as well as 2 ewes and 1 Weber lamb that are both weaners, that all 3 are weaners, I do believe. They'll need to be going back out the paddock to join the others very soon. Right now we're going through our middle paddock, and well, while we're at it, I thought I may as well, at the time of recording, say where the channel's currently at. Well, at the time of recording this, we're about 8 or 9 days or so since the publishing of the ram sale video that we did back in September. 1.7k views, 39 likes and 4 comments, and the channel, as it stands currently, we've jumped from about 512 up to 555 subscribers. So to everyone who's jumped on the TJM Farming bandwagon, need to worry. I did get checked out before I filmed the ram sale video in between the time that we went to Jarrah and I fainted, and then a couple of weeks after that. We found nothing in the way of anything wrong with blood counts or anything. And we are 99% sure that the cause for me fainting at Jarrah was dehydration. Because I didn't drink much water the day before. But I'm all right now, and it's onwards and upwards in concerns to the videos. What you doing, dog? Bendy Sue's just happy to be around. There go a pack of emus and our ladies. These are the ones that we have to sort into their groups today before we can release the boys and make lots of lambs. I think you all pretty much know the drill by now, so we're just gonna finger snap and we'll see you in the sheep yards. Come on, off you go, girls. Bendy! That right there was Bendy Sue doing sheep work now. She's a little bit better than when she first started, that's for sure. Come on girls, push down, push down, push down, push down, push down. So what we're doing right now is we got the ewes in the race, and we're just gonna check to see if they're all frames. If they are, they stay as one group, they go down into racetrack east. If not, if they're a wool, then we'll give them a blue chalk mark to the head, which tells Dad that we need to drive them ones off because they'll be wool sheep and they'll be going in a separate mob.
It's a bit hard to tell with that wool. It's really a frame. It's a frame. It's a frame.
So this one here, she's a bit like Murray then, either way.
Yeah, well Murray's going in this year.
Well, I remember you saying you were going to use them as a frame.
Yeah, we can't draft off here, we're going to have to run them around again. That ratio.
Rightio, so the frames are now back up in the Racetrack North paddock, so this one over here. I'm taking the wolves out to Racetrack East, which is that paddock over there, which is the same paddock that the cows are in. And well, once we got these girls out to meet up with the other wolves, Dad and I will go back to lunch. I'll put the GoPro on charge, and then when we come back, we'll see you in the main sheep yards when we load the boys up on the trailer and deliver them at the paddock. We'll see you then. See, I told you I had the GoPro rolling and now it wants to work. Technical difficulties, folks. Well, we're supposed to be down there getting the trailer sorted to deliver the rams, but it seems the gator does not want to play ball. To put this lightly, if any other sheep farmers are out there watching this, considering getting the side by side, don't get a gator. Do not get a gator. Gators do not want to behave. Fixed it. loose cords underneath it. All right, on to the rams. Righto, time to fetch the boys. Come on, up we go. Righto, so the rams have now been sorted. These boys here are our wolves. The middle pen has our frames, and the one up the back, they're going with the...
Maidens. They're maidens, but they are wool tops.
So, I think these two boys here with the blue tags in their ears, they're Rob and Barney. They're the ones that we got this year.
Yes.
In the middle there, you can see number 7. He's Murray. He's the big ram that I spoke about in the ram sale video. We put him over maidens the other year, but well, it didn't exactly get a higher lambing rate because he was a first timer, and the ones we put him over were first timers as well. I think that was correct.
Yeah.
So hopefully having the frame boys with the more experienced girls will get some more baby lammies out of them.
Good one, really good one. But I want to put him in with the older girls because I want to get a lot of lambs. And not much point in putting him in with the young ones because they tend to have a lower lambing percentage.
And ideally, we'd like to get as many lambs as possible.
Yeah, especially from him.
So the boys are all in their pens. Now we need to go fetch the ewes that are out in that paddock over there, because they're the ones that are going to be going on the truck tomorrow. And once we put the ewes in the yards, we'll set up the trailers so we can go and deliver the boys at the paddock. All right. First lot of boys and other blue taggers. Bindi. Come on. Shh. What are we doing, boys? Come on. So the first group that's going with the maidens, they're already out there. They're going to go up onto the ramp and onto the trailer first. We're going to come in here, open this up, say hello to the boys here. All right, gentlemen, you ready for round 2? This group are frame rams, and lucky number 7. Number 7 over here is Murray, and we're going to be, hopefully the girls will treat him a lot better this time round, because well, we didn't get much out of the maidens this year to spawn. Come on, boys. Come on, boys, up we go. Duck your head. There we are. Oh, I see the girls coming.
So they don't go up the bloody road.
They're probably thinking we have food. Now, I know a couple of other farming YouTube channels have had people going on and on about, oh, how it's so cruel to make ewes do AI. Well, in this instance, these are the rams and those are the ewes. All right, Murray, come on, boys, off we go. Come on, boys. Come on. Go strut your stuff, gentlemen. And the girls are running away. Typical. Great things are about to happen. Very, very great things. So after giving these boys a scenic tour of the paddock on accident, I do apologise for the rough ride, boys. We found the wieners. I mean, well, no, they're not wieners anymore. They're maidens. The blue tags. We found the blue tags. Blue tags are up there. Come on, boys and girls. Oh. I don't think they've had a very comfortable ride by the looks.
No, it's because they're not empty.
Yeah. There they go. Now, what are the wieners going to do? Are they going to take off or? There go the boys. There's some of the older ones. Rob and Barney are still in the shed, I think. Shut this tailgate and go get the rest. Alright, boys. Alright, boys, you've got a job to do. Go on. Go meet the girls before they run away. And there they go. The newbies have found the girls. Let's hope they have some success.